Oh, damn. Got to attach a proper microphone. Always happens. Hold on. You realize it after you go live. Oh, damn. Got to attach that. Okay, here we go. Switch microphones. And work should be in business. All right. Got my microphone set up. All right, hey everyone. Welcome to another episode of Trading Bitcoin with your host, Tone Vays. Coming to you live on this Saturday. We're going to do some Q&A right after the show as well. I was able to get 3 private Q&A sessions in this week, which is perfect. I'm down here in Miami, of course. And here we go. I'm going to go to screen share. I'm going to have a friend join us today to talk about Bitcoin Infinity Day, which I'd probably turn the lights on. Hold on. Yeah, let's make it back. Turn the lights off. Try this. Maybe that's better. All right. Yep, we're back in focus. All right, and let's go to the charts. All right, here we are on the weekly chart. The weekly chart is looking super bullish right now. We are on the 5th candle of the MRI trend, and this is a very strong trend. It really does remind me of this breakout area, though a little bit different. Let's see if we can make it all the way to an MRI top. All right, still trying to get Knut on to talk about Bitcoin Infinity Day, which was kind of his idea to create. So here we go on the price action. We are now fully above all the moving averages. That is a very bullish sign. I had turned off the Lucid SARs, but clearly we are way above all the Lucid SARs. One last thing left, and that's for the moving averages to cross over. And then we just need the 20-period moving average to start trending upwards, which should not take very long if the price stays above 50,000. Very bullish weekly chart, and the week is close to ending. Oh, wait, that's the wrong one. Where's my live chat? About chat. All right, let me issue a live chat. All right. Now, hopefully no tequila today. I need a break. We were playing poker a few nights ago. We had some good tequila there, actually. Shout out to Nico, who brought the tequila. You can find Nico on Twitter. It's becoming very popular. Great tequila, man. Yeah, I'd go to Twitter, but I kind of don't want to, just in case, I don't want to dox anything because I don't know where I left my Twitter. Anyway, let's go to the daily chart. Oh, I wasn't on a daily chart. So here's the daily chart. Oh, I got my friend Knut over. I'm going to promote him to panelist, but let me cover the price, and then we're going to talk a little bit about Bitcoin Infinity Day. So here's the daily chart. The daily chart is also looking strong. We finally got our green star candle, and this thing is very likely to go higher. However, it is also very possible that we're going to slow down. We have gone up quite a bit. The price of Bitcoin has rose a lot in a very short amount of time. Price of Bitcoin is up almost double. We're up 67% since July 20th. So in 1 month, we are up 67%. That is a very big move, and we are probably due for a correction. I like the fact that we've already had several corrections here, which were like nice pullbacks. So therefore, maybe a little bit higher, and then one more pullback, and then the ultimate breakout above 50,000. The short-term scale was interesting. Yesterday, when I was doing the stream, we were coming off the 1 hour MRI top right here. And I said, hey, maybe a 1 to 4 candle correction and then probably higher, but be careful with the 4 hour MRI top, which could also lead to a 1 to 4 candle correction. And you can see what happened a couple of hours later. The 1 hour chart had a 1 or 2 hour correction. Then we went higher. Then we hit the 4 hour MRI top. We had a 1 to 4 candle correction. And guess what? Now we're going higher. I do think we're going to go up and break 50,000 very, very soon. And then a little bit more. Eventually, we will hit an MRI top on a daily scale. You can see what happened the last time we hit an MRI top on a daily scale. We had a beautiful 4 candle correction. The time before, we were off by 1 candle, and then we still had a beautiful 4 candle correction. So let's wait for one more. Maybe it'll come in around 55,000, and then we'll have a pullback back down to the $48,000 area. A quick peek at how the markets closed. GBTC closed at a nice swing high. That's great. Premium still needs to get above 0. Still waiting for gold to break this trend line. Oil continues to go down, not surprising. Monthly MRI top is still working through a 1 to 4 month correction. And then oil will probably go up as inflation rises. And of course, the S&P, I remain very bullish on the S&P. Its 1 to 4 candle correction on the daily is over, though the weekly may still have something to say about it. So patience is key here if you're a longer term trader. All right, guys, I put Understanding Bitcoin up on sale. You can now purchase tickets. There are not a lot of tickets left. There's only 36 tickets left available for Understanding Bitcoin conference in Dubai. There's also a VIP option. There's a yacht being organized by another event, but I will be on the yacht. So if you've never been to Dubai, that's probably a good idea. You get to, be on a yacht around Dubai. There's alcoholic drinks on there, food, and the carnivory dinner is separate. Okay. All right. Let's bring on a couple of guests for a few minutes, and then I will do that private Q&A. Hey guys, you want to unmute?
Hey. Hi. How you doing, Tom?
I don't hear you. That could be my fault. Hold on.
Can you hear it?
No, I should be good.
We're unmuted.
Just check your mic setting.
Yeah, we are unmuted. Well, let's see.
Nope. It's the arrow next to the mute button.
And the volume is there, so that should work.
I hear something. Hold on. Oh, I gotcha. It was my fault. All right.
Hey.
Oh, you hear us?
Hey.
Okay.
Yep.
Hey, how are things? What a beautiful day.
Yes. The day is absolutely gorgeous. And Knut, you were on my show recently, and you are the man that started the concept of a Bitcoin Infinity Day. I'm going to do another screen share right now for your Twitter handle, Infinity over 21 million, and today being August 21st. That is the Infinity sign, the number 8, and it's August 21st, 2021. What a great time to kick off Bitcoin Infinity Day. So tell us about it.
Yeah, and it's 21:03 here. It's 3 minutes past 9, so all the stars are aligning, I think. Yeah, Bitcoin Infinity Day took off a lot more than what I expected. Beautiful to see these things come to life as they did. Michael Saylor retweeted it. Yeah. So it really took off, and it seems to be working, right, Tony? You know more about the charts than I do. How much do you think we moved the markets today?
I don't know. The markets have moved today, so we have a couple of websites. We actually have Infinity BitcoinInfinityDay.com, and next year there'll be something very interesting done with that website. But you have a couple of other websites that people have already decided to make stuff out of. And so just tell us about the concept of Bitcoin Infinity Day real quick.
Yeah, can you put up BitcoinInfinityDay.org? There it was. Yeah.
There it is.
That's it. That's like the website, one of the websites we have at the moment. And if you scroll down, you can see that Bitcoin's price has been going up on Bitcoin Infinity Day historically, even though people weren't aware that it was the Bitcoin Infinity Day. Yeah, it's just been a beautiful day. It really took off, and people are stacking like mad. I love this community and what it does.
Yeah, it looks like it really took off this year because you. Look at the chart.
I can't take like credits for the price rise. I don't even know if it affected the market really, but regardless, it's a beautiful thing to see. And by the way, if you haven't met him before, this is Volker. He translates Bitcoin books and articles into German. That's just one of the things he does. And he translated both my books. And he's got 5 block clocks, people. 5 block clocks. This guy is the real deal. So
I like the block clock.
So I've been driving down here from Denmark today, for 9 hours or something. So it's really good to be here finally. And because of this, I haven't been able to follow Twitter during the day. I've been I've had to stop every 4 hours or something, scrolling through all the hundreds of notifications.
All right, so that's a cool graphic, Knut. So real quick,
yeah, that was to Sven Starfury made that. Sven Schneiders made that.
That's such a beautiful animation.
Yeah, it's really beautiful. And
so
Fractal is working on some art thing for it as well. I know that was probably meant to be a secret, so you didn't hear
That's all right. So real quick, I am going to go to the private Q&A in a few minutes. Just tell us what people should do on Bitcoin Infinity Day.
Basically, you should we had a couple of ideas. We got the name first before we decided what it was, as you remember, Tom. But the basic premise is you stack 21 times your normal daily average purchase. So you stack as many stats as you can, basically, and you never sell anything on Bitcoin Infinity Day. And of course, those people stacking bought it from somewhere. So some people, probably miners, are not doing what they're supposed to on this day. But maybe next year no one will sell, and then the price will skyrocket. There's no other.
Yeah, that would be awesome. Yeah, so we're looking to make August 21st, Bitcoin Infinity Day, is the day you don't sell your Bitcoin, and whatever average amount of Bitcoin you buy on a daily basis. So let's say you buy 500 Bitcoin a month. So that means, $500 worth of Bitcoin a month. That'd be nice if you can buy 500 Bitcoin a month. If you're buying, Michael Saylor, Michael Saylor can do it. So let's say you buy $500 worth of Bitcoin every month. That's $1,200 worth of Bitcoin every year. So you take $1,200 worth of Bitcoin, you divide it by 365 days in a year to get your average daily buying amount. And then you multiply that by 21, and that's how much Bitcoin you should buy on August 21st, while other people shouldn't be selling Bitcoin on that day. And it would be awesome to see the price of Bitcoin spike every single August 21st. That'd be great.
Yeah, so can we do a quick calculation here before the private Q&A? If we divide 1 billion by 365 and times 21. That's
1 billion. How many zeros is that? 3, 3. That's a billion. I had
yeah,
it. Divide that by what?
365.
365.
And then times 21.
And then we multiply that by 21. Let's see if Google does the right calculation.
Yeah. So Michael Saylor will have to buy $57.5 million worth of Bitcoin today.
I think he can do it.
So Michael, if you're hearing this, start stacking.
You better. But you probably bought yesterday.
I probably front run.
It's not stupid. And also, I guess on Bitcoin Infinity Day, you have to dump the rest of your shitcoins if you have any.
Yeah, that goes without saying.
Oh,
yeah.
wait, I said 500 a month is 1,200 a year. I missed the zero there. It's 12,000 a year.
Yeah. So if 500 a month is 6,000 a year. Right?
5,000. Yeah, it's still. This is what Miami does. By the way,
It's still nice.
so here's the thing, right? So I have 2 degrees in math, and I just can't do basic math. It's really funny.
I know exactly what you mean.
I have an undergraduate degree in math and a master's degree in math, and I can't do basic math.
So
but you got the equation right there.
I ran the numbers. If you bought 500 months, that's 6,000 a year. That's 16 a day and 345 if you multiply by 21.
So
okay, so $16 a day, 500 a month is $16 a day, and that's 345 on Bitcoin Infinity Day.
All right, very cool, guys. So here, I mean, next year's we'll try, because we just came back from Mexico. So if Ugly Old Goat does another bit, too many conferences. The Bitcoin Standard Conference in Mexico in August, it should be timed along with Bitcoin Infinity Day.
Absolutely, that would be magic. I mean, it's magic already, but like that would be the real thing. And yeah, thanks to all the community for making this happen. It's you certainly made my day, probably my month.
Yeah, no, you're gonna be very famous for this. Hey guys, check it out. All right, we're gonna move on to the Q&A. We're gonna try to get Knut to come down to Dubai for Understanding Bitcoin. Tickets are on sale. Only 36 tickets left available. And once that sells out, that is it. We are very limited on capacity between the room size and the COVID restrictions. So we're just doing the best we can to get it going. Spoke to BTC Sessions yesterday, spoke to Peter Todd, Giacomo was in, Adam, I'm pretty sure will be in, Mechanic is in, Soft Simon's in, spoke to Alexandra, she's in, Adam Fiskor and Stefan Lavera are very likely in. So is Alex. It's going to be a fun event.
That's almost the entire band. Mir is there, Bitcoin Mechanic is there, and I'm there.
Yeah, that's right. We gotta find a place for you guys to. And I'm also currently in touch with a bunch of other speakers. A lot of them are going to let me know next week. Kettle Miner is very likely in. We got to move him over to the speaker side. Speaking to a bunch of other guys, so we'll see. Same thing with Lawrence, probably going to come back. So a lot of people are interested. They're just checking, COVID restrictions and their travel schedules. So it's going to be great.
Yeah, the COVID stuff is the only thing that's keeping me back from ordering right now. I have to find out what I need to do.
Yeah, well, for Dubai, you're not going to have to do much or anything. It's for returning back to your home country, which if it's Australia, won't even let you in or out.
It's not Australia.
No.
Opposite.
The People's Republic of Australia, right?
Yeah. No, it's really bad. I mean, Germany shouldn't be too bad. There was an event going on in Germany in a few weeks. Forgot where though.
Yeah, I think Jeff Booth is going to that. It's like a Mises Institute thing, I think.
that's
No, it's a
the,
big Bitcoin event. This is a guy
HTTP
from
work.
Blockchain Hotel, the
All right.
Blockchain Hotel guys from Essen, but they're doing it in some castle. They invited me, but like traveling through Europe is so difficult because of COVID and the COVID passport that it's a nightmare.
It's all a united thing. Like Europe was made for opening borders and
Borders weren't
free
meant to be-
flowing traffic.
Yeah,
and-
Europe is gonna break up. I mean, that's the thing. Or like this is gonna cause the breakup of the European Union. It makes no sense. If the borders aren't open, it makes no sense.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Well, they didn't check me today, so I was happy with that. No control at all.
Calling the police now.
Yeah. Well, so I was lucky, I guess. Yeah. Well.
All right, guys.
Right.
All right, guys. Thanks so much for joining. I'm gonna take one more sneak peek at price, and then I gotta move on to the private QA.
All right. Take care, Tom.
Okay.
Thanks for inviting us.
Bye-bye.
Happy
Hey,
Infinity
guys.
Day.
All right, hold on. Let me cut the camera. There you go. Now you can wave goodbye.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye, guys. All right, that was fun. I'm gonna take 2 more minutes, and then we're gonna move on to the private Q&A. The current chart is on an extension B. We had 2 great days. Probably gonna be a little bit of a slowdown, but then I do think we will break above the $50,000 area and then pull back. The higher we go, the faster we can get these moving averages to cross over. That would be a very, very nice golden cross. This is the 50 period moving average. This is the 200 period moving average. Remember what I talked about in the death cross is a pullback into the death cross is an opportunity to short the market. A pullback into the golden cross is an awesome opportunity and a pullback to go long the market. All right, and that is it. Thank you all so much for watching. The Financial Summit is also happening in Dubai, November 6 to 12 for traders and hedge funds. And of course, we'll keep you posted on Unconfiscatable, which will be in Vegas the first weekend of March. Tickets will probably go on sale next month. That is it for me, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. The mempool is empty, and I will see you all on the next one. Private Q&A starts now. It will be released tomorrow for those that are not subscribed and won't get to ask any awesome questions. All right.